Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pan-seared Ruby Red Trout. We're going to make a really tasty sauce to go on top and serve it up with a side of ancient grains. The first thing we're going to get started with is those grains. Heinen's makes their own pre-packaged, pre-cooked ancient grains and seeds. It's loaded with freekeh, farro, black barley, and seeds. Wonderfully delicious, got an earthy taste to it, loaded with protein and fiber. To add some more flavor to the ancient grains, what we're going to do is add in some onions and butternut squash. So in a large saute pan on medium-high heat, let's add in some olive oil. Next, those onions, we're going to get those caramelized up a bit. We're going to add in the riced butternut squash. Just going to cook that for a few minutes. We're going to add in the ancient grains. We really want to heat it up more than anything. We're going to finish it off with a little butter, salt, pepper, and fresh thyme. Okay, what we want to do is just keep those grains warm, so simmer them on very, very low heat. Now for the fish. I've got some delicious, fresh Ruby Red Trout in the ocean yesterday, in the store today. That's how incredibly fresh it is. It looks beautiful. There's 0 scent to it, which means it is incredibly fresh, like I told you. So there is a trick to needing to cook this because it's skin on. So what we want to do is flip it over, score it, maybe make 4 or 5 marks depending on how big the fillet is. Be careful, you don't want to cut too hard and cut through completely. And next we're going to season it up with Two Brothers seafood seasoning. It's loaded with salt, garlic, onion, tarragon, other herbs. It's going to add a ton of flavor. Now when it comes to cooking, this is very crucial. You need to have a very large saute pan on high heat. We're going to add in some cold olive oil. The second it begins to smoke, that means it's perfect time to start sauteing. So we're going to add in the fish skin side down first, and to help brown it up, we're going to add in little pads of butter around the outside. This is also going to help release it from the pan when we need to flip it. You're looking at 2 to 3 minutes per side when it comes to cooking fish this thin. We don't want to overcook it, and we don't want to undercook it, so that's perfect timing. After 2 to 3 minutes, we're going to flip it over. You're going to see that the skin is nice and crunchy, just like we like it. We're going to finish it up for 2 or 3 more minutes. Next, we want to set the pan to the side. We're going to make a very simple sauce. So go ahead and add in some sliced almonds, a little bit of capers, some butter, and finally some parsley. Boom, we're done. Let's plate it up and try it out. Everything looks, smells, and tastes amazing. Under 25 minutes to actually make this entire recipe. I know fish can be very intimidating when it comes to cooking it, so hopefully you got some great ideas on how to do it and do it well. Get all these great ingredients and fresh seafood from your favorite Heinen's grocery stores, and hit up Heinens.com. We've got a ton of great recipe videos. I've got a lot of fish to eat. We'll see you later.